Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. Yeah, so it's Saucy here. This is gonna be the first video I'm gonna be creating on this YouTube channel. You know, um, I did a poll on my Instagram page where I posted a short reel about the trade I took on this day, and I said if we had 500 likes, I'm gonna make a comprehensive breakdown, my thought process, of the trade I took, the reason why I'm taking it, how I manage the trade, how I got in, everything about that. So I would love you guys to sit tight because this is gonna be an amazing video. And please make sure if you haven't subscribed to this channel, come on, you have to subscribe to this channel now. Just go, just click on that subscribe button, click on that subscribe button. In fact, click on that subscribe button, then screenshot it and come send me a DM. I have a gift for you. Trust me on that. So make sure you click on that subscribe button, so that and turn on bell notification because I'm gonna be uploading more videos like this. This is just, a quick breakdown just for you guys to, the trades I took, right? So let's start on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, we could see we were clearly bearish, right? Price is making highs, lows, and the highs are being violated, price is pushing higher and making new highs, right? So clearly we can see that we are bearish, right? We are clearly bearish, and there is nothing to it. Now, after we have a break of structure, we expect a pullback. Now, this was the pullback. We had this pullback, this three candle, one, two, three. So the pullback has started. Now, we don't know where the pullback is going to end. We don't know where the pullback is going to end. But last week Friday, I think I'm recording this on Saturday. So last week's Friday, which was the NFP, it's a new year, 2024. We had an impulsive move to the upside. Price is kind of changing character, to the upside on lower time frame, giving us a bullish what order flow, bullish price action, right? So immediately we had that shift in structure on lower time frame. I kind of understand that, yeah, probably we price is ready to, push to the start pushing to the upside, to go take out this next high because this is our next target. This is our next target, right? So I was still expecting price to pull deeper, into, I'm not going to lie, this orange, right? But if you could see, price kind of tap into it, price kind of tap into it. But nonetheless, I still, price could literally do anything. You could, push it up a little and come deeper into this area. But that's not that for today. What I just want to explain is the breakdown of the trade. So, we had the impulsive move on lower time frame right there. So I was like, okay, on Monday we're gonna see a bagger trade, right? So notice what happened. This was on Monday, 8th of June. So on Monday, we had this inside bar. Now, why is it an inside bar? Price failed to close above the previous daily candle. It was just in between the range, right? So the next day, we had price sweeping that inside bar. It swept the low, right? And price didn't close below this low. So this, gave me a confluence. It gave me a very good perspective that we are going bullish. The next day is going to be bullish because for price to take out the previous daily low, then price is attracted to the previous daily high and even this high. So that was my thought process on a higher time frame. So let's go on 15 minutes time frame. Or first let me take you through 4 hour. So take it to 4 hour. So this is 4 hour. We swept that low and we swept that high. This was the, price swept deeper and you know so before you start trading, let me talk about this. So before you start, with my model, you need to understand that you need to understand your bias. You need to understand your bias. Your bias is very, very crucial in trading. It's going to set you, you're going to understand where price is going to next. It's going to give you a it's going to give you where you expect price to push to. You don't really have to be correct all the time, but most times you do. So I'm going 15 minutes time frame. So since I understand that my bias was bullish, and I was expecting price to push to the upside. Now this is 15 minutes time frame. Now this, let me start marking. So this was the previous this was I think it's, yeah. So this was the previous candle open here. So this was the previous daily low, right? So this was the previous daily low. As you could see on Instagram, if you are not following me on Instagram, please make sure you go on Instagram, Saucy FX, and make sure you follow. So we have 15 minutes. That's the liquidity point. This was the previous daily low. So what did price do? So price was came down and take out this low, right? The previous daily low as an area of liquidity. Now price tap into this area of demand, this whole zone, right? So with price taking the previous daily low, not only that, tapping deeper into this demand area, it gives me what a confidence that what the next day was gonna be a buy program. So I was actually waiting for what price, with the model, this accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, which I'm always sharing on the Instagram. I'm only sharing the reels, those reels on Instagram. Guys, I'm literally giving you guys gold. I'm giving you guys gold on Instagram, but you guys don't really know. I'm giving you guys source, on Instagram. It's free. Just go on Instagram, source FX, and start scanning through my reels. You're gonna see that every erase that I make is almost the same thing. It's almost the same thing. Accumulation, manipulation, what and distribution. So I was expecting price, to what accumulate, right? So I want to see price accumulate during Asian session. We want to see the manipulation into this area, right? Into this area, because this is our point of resistance. This is our POI. Why is it our POI? Well, you might say, okay, but price didn't break structure. Our POI has swept liquidity and it has moved impulsively to the upside. So it's kind of giving us that confirmation that, yeah, price is ready to what go to the next high. Now I want to see that accumulation, then the manipulation we get in the distribution phase. When the distribution is about to start, and we take our trade towards, first of all, the previous daily high and this high. So simple as that, right? So very simple. I was waiting for the Asian session to accumulate. So I'm going to just play price for you guys to see what happened during Asian session, right? So let me play price first. So if you could see, we had the accumulation. So this is the accumulation. Notice we were just in a range. What? We're just in a range. So this is Asian session. We're just in a range, right? So we had this accumulation. Since we bullish to the upside, I want to see what manipulation to the downside, then a break of structure confirming that the manipulation stage has ended. Now, a break of structure confirming if the manipulation stage has ended. So then we're going to we're going to get in, and we're going to target this high, right? So it's very simple as that. So let me play price. Okay, just gonna play price. This trade was taken live. Uh, go on my Instagram. There's proof I took the trade. I even sent it to my members. Yeah, I sent it straight to my members on Discord before I got in. You know, I'll probably share the proof. Probably going to record and share the proof for you guys too. I sent it to them before I took my entry. I sent the stop loss and I sent them the target. That's how we do. We live trade together every day. We take trades together. It's just a small community of traders. Where I want to achieve the same goal. So after that, I was waiting for after price manipulate. I was waiting for what the break of structure. Now, um, with market structure, if you could look clearly, right? So we have this high, we have this low, we have this lower high, and we had this low. So I was waiting for this was the last structural point. I was waiting for price to break, before I buy the market, right? So I'm gonna pay price. So eventually we had the break of structure, right? So we had that break of structure, and I mark out what the zone, that whole zone that caused the break of structure, right? So I mark out that zone, right? And this was the zone, right? Very simple. So you get in that zone. Stop loss is I think it's 7 pips stop loss. So I make it 8 pip, buffer. You need to give your trades buffer, because most times EURUSD will just stop you at it's probably 0.2 pip or 0.5 pips. You don't want to be very greedy trying to take so much tight stop loss. I make sure I give it a buffer of at least 1 pip. And my first target is the previous daily high, which is this high, right? So this is the high I targeted first, which was a 1 to 6, right? This was a 1 to 6 trade right there. So that's the trade. So this was the trade. I sent it for my members even before I got in. Yeah, so let's see how it plays out. So uh we got in, right? We were tagged in. Now honestly that day I was, with this impulsive move to the dance, I was like, oh, probably price was gonna stop us out, but what did price do? Price just was coming very close to my stop loss. Guys, you need to be, you need to, like I say, you need not to be greedy, give your stop loss room, because most times price will just, especially if you're trading this similar concept, make sure you want to give yourself, a buffer, 1.5 or a pip, so you can give yourself a buffer. So price was very close to our stop loss. I wasn't scared, trying to close the trade, everyone was, we just calm. So price was very close to our stop loss, and price move, right? So price started moving, I'm just gonna play the replay tools, and price just started moving, to the upside. For me, I end up closing most of my position, yeah, right? I think around before the day ends. So let me, I think I end up closing my position around, yeah, I closed my position around there. I'm not gonna lie, I just closed all my position around there and I was just out. But most of my members, held the trade to this high, and yeah, it was a banger trade. And most of some of my members, took partials here and they held to this high. Now this was this high, but for me, I was out because just get in and get out. I was out around there, which was a 1 to 5. I was out, but most of my members, get out there. That was a very simple trade. Very simple breakdown. So if you appreciate this video, please just make sure you give me a like on this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please, your subscription is needed. Let's grow this channel. This is my first video, live video that I'm gonna be posting, and when I see your reactions, it's gonna surely gonna what make me what want to do more. In fact, if I can get at least 1,000 likes on this video, I'm gonna make a very simple trading model from my model for you guys for free. I'm gonna just for free. It's gonna be a bonanza. It's gonna be a bonanza, guys. So yeah, peace out, guys.